Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in UAE Vlog. This is my entryway which I am going to give a makeover today. This is a zero budget makeover and I did this makeover especially for Eid. As we welcome many guests on this occasion, so our house entryway should be special and bright. Let's get started with this shoe rack. You can see a lot of paint marks on the top of this shoe rack. So I'm using a wood color self-adhesive foil to cover this top part of the shoe rack. You can use wood polish to cover these paint marks, but I would not consider wood polish as I want to do this makeover with whatever available materials I have. And as I told you earlier, this is a zero budget makeover. I am covering only the top part as the rest of the shoe rack does not have many paint marks. To remove these 1 or 2 paint marks, I just spray a degreaser on them and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and scrub it off. Let's quickly make some DIYs. Here I took 10 cm, 6 cm and 3 cm cardboard cutouts and some popsicle sticks to make this DIY. Cover these cutouts with the self-adhesive foil or you can use even paint, it's up to you. Ramadan is incomplete without a lantern, so I am making an easy cardboard lantern here. Very different and unique type of lanterns are available in the market in a very reasonable price. But still I made one to show you how easy to make a lantern. I forgot to tell you that I am using barbecue sticks also in this DIY. A beautiful lantern is ready. Moving on to next DIY. For this DIY, I took one big size roll and covered it with the same self-adhesive foil. This is jute gift wrap. Just remove the thread from one side and wrap it around the barbecue stick. Follow the steps as shown in the video. This gives a feeling of dry grass or hay sticks. Even this waste jute thread also I used and made tassels using them. To make it more beautiful, I added the tassels. Our dry grass vase is ready. I will show you where I used my DIYs in some time. You can see I have not yet decorated the walls, so let's decorate the walls. If you have seen my previous video, I had made all these DIYs which I am using here. If you have not seen my video, I will share the link in the description. Please watch and you can make all these DIY very easily at home. As you see in the video, my door and the wall paint color is same. So to make it little different, I stuck wood color self-adhesive foil on the sides. It looked good for me, so I repeated the same outside as well. Now it's looking like a proper door. Here comes my DIY lantern and a flameless candle. To decorate this wall, I purchased a wall hanging from a local shop for 5 dirhams. Though I wanted to make it a zero budget makeover, but I could not. I had to spend 5 dirhams. I added some fairy lights and glitter paper moon and star cutouts to the walls wherever they looked good. This is the final day look of my entryway, and the DIY vase which I made I kept behind the lantern. This is the very simple and easy entryway makeover. Welcome your guest with a smile and keep watching my channel for such easy makeover videos. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.